Kennedy Agyapong akasa ende watu nenum tuo aka no kre osede.
I've never seen a liar like our former flag bearer on air. He's a liar. Say, Edubuahin, one contested because na oya. This man is a liar. Today I tell you he's a liar. You shouldn't vote for a liar. A man who is lying to have power. Wow. Won't hear the history. Edubuahin, occurred 1992. And we winning. And occurred general election. And we lose. 1996. The former black flag bearer, Ejine Kumasi, Kasena Edubuahin Yare. Kufuor contested Edubuahin in 1996. And Kufuor BT Edubuahin. Edibeye flag bearer. He was fighting to go on the post. And they did not agree. And we contested. I will pay power. Obi abedi o mining now to be detro e distorto history say ya. Mesra mama to abama. Because mumiam. Obi amani nickname so we a liar. What the bar? We're a liar and the people are not going to vote for him. He's not a trustworthy person. When I heard him yesterday saying that, I said, what? A presidential candidate who wants people to vote for him will look eyeball to eyeball and lie. He's a big liar. Men na catch money. We're a liar. So to me, Kojo said, na Edubuahin yare. Wow. Timesram, Edubuahin was contested by Kufuor. And Kufuor BT, you know. Edibeye, Munko checking history. In the mama to second chance. Many are told me. I am more popular than him in this country. I'm telling you today, me am more popular than him. Who knows him? The only people, those who know him as a liar. And he continues to lie. That is why we lost. One to me economy who wants them be a digital. Am I lose you? And you people that I'm talking to know why you didn't vote for him, because of the tribal conflict. The tribal conflict. And we lost the 5 northern regions. And he's lying, he said, oh no, when you're the highest vote. Akufo Addo had 20 seats, parliamentary seats, and now we're 10. How can you say, when you're the highest vote? Mesrem. A trona papa need for power, no dear. Mudi agroko ye mistakes, Munya. You best have to know opposition. Kogana ni and Trosono. Open is a Tronkwana Woody. A Tron would do Ashanti region. Why so desperate? He said, a Tronkwan have ready Woody. And why we want to win power. And if you want to win power, ask the Muslims themselves. They will tell you. So, Oko, Adum Cheho, Eddie Ikogu, Nantian Tomano, Oko, Mungwa, Yomu, Shrine, Eddie Gunsi, Yan Tomano. The Muslims say it all the time. The Christians are saying, Yan Tomano. So, what are we saying? Do we want to lose power?
Papa, you na when you ever church room, Messi go forward. Omu nyina abodam, Bawumia abodam, Kennedy abodam, Brandi Champ abodam. Omu nyina abodam. Oh, hine na some no can say, Sankwafo na Sankwasno. You see the Sankwasism? The Sankwasism is coming out, and the monkeyism. But Kennedy, upon all the nonsense you think, say, why you know? And the wakan say, you see, Bawumia ye trufo. He's a liar. Why no party mo was catching Kennedy Agyapong? Or say Bawumia trufo from the buyer, or your crumb for on cano cre, or your trufo, or your trufo chia mokosia mo boating. And yan this in account where Obia or the Bawumia tana dem amadi sikason fanko campaign pen in 2014 15 just say or say Bawumia ye trufo. O say kwanin cano cre, or to chat truck crump to Edubuahin so. But on camera is was say Bawumia. Obia and the Oko internet is now body dia or your trufo be engineering economy in a nearby opposition. Or say Bawumia bomb or your fake PhD holder. Bawumia nim economy bia at a point you can't make economy no dwane. Or say we trufo way mama na da moana waba bedua and I'm also some kwasi asam so. Me judgum ye. Or say way kolikoi way onim nyansa bia wo ditrim enkwase akeka na follow John kwa ontumi nya bibia yete aban mu economy yede hyere sa oblo economy ni up ana okeka na o se na se nyina yenim tribal conflict Bawumia ka ho na e course under omo watch ye body patuo ye ku eye de kusasifo tey anadwo nwumbre ye bonkofo tibutu o se ana Bawumia ona na eye police council ona na eye chair weapons and no de kosoro eku nipa ninya o se Bawumia conflict ni count tribal conflict ni count no lose elections no region nyina in fact northern region it Kennedy Agyapong nyina nim say when it came to eye bokuntokwa no na Mahamadu Bawumia edi mutintiman or the etuo akondie nyoma ekọ ho enu ntina Kennedy ka say eye tribal conflict no kwa na affect omo a eba north no omo enya vote Kennedy ne kan na medwudwam wedwame ene kodwa Kennedy inti kusasi ni mamprisi fo ntokwa ku nyina na time na NPP woso a ye ka say na ntokwa yesu ntwa ene etuo ko hoyi de na esi ahomachi no bo se hu 20-30,000 ye hu ka na etuo gum 40,000 Kennedy Agyapong say Bawumia tribal conflict no Mahamadu now you see NPP for de assembly abeto bicycle credit on the saying NPP to be ton bas mu 2,500 Bawumia NPP nyambe tuamoka mo. Now, NPP presidential aspirants to sign peace pact ahead of flag bearer race. Yes, see NPP for penifo nyina akotena se abana yebeto no de eto alanchemantin blebininti omo pese sisi ade omo ankasa nim so omo ye moa into also omo sign eye enkrata kire se omo gimisem ne omo monkey no inner monkey no they will not exhibit it on election day. Adekudienti ema party na ba bonten say they need to sign a pact and say a peace pact and say time at 2023 omo ye the same event no Kojo Kyeremanteng the nipa ba ko ye pai nani the same party leadership did not do anything about it. Michael Kwe does not care about it. Hakamana Usajman does not care about it. Kennedy Agyapong does not care about it. Akufo does not care about it. Mike just say all the old people in the party who have now become babies, you know, they don't care. Suddenly, Oma Kai say 2023, no, Bawumia for no pie Alan Kyeremanteng, the supervisor Bakweni, in Tesiano, Oma sign peace pact. Mameka de Omukachro, On some Brimakacha say, Sammy Ukumu gather some galamsey boys be with weapons, Asante region. Moi moka eye campaign we mu amoso moya campaign no the moment amode mon sabesha krata we asemutiate the kind of mayhem Bawumia the group on person mo unleash on election day no me took Kennedy Agyapong for about 3 months ago but I know so we Jimmy nti minim say the followers so amadwene wo fom nti the kind of mayhem they will unleash on you people sadia we bait. They know Kojo Kyeremanteng the be here no and omo pai ni bi penny Alan ejina nipa mu ATM ni nipa ne ATM they told Ghana for say Alan fani Jimmy nkono wa ebesi ne Kyeremanteng nipa ne ni apai. Now they want to adapt the same strategy and what they are going to do now is why would on sabesha say kikrim because Bawumia strategy and the party is behind Bawumia. They know Bawumia and a bit me wia and it's a ufo nyina di Bawumia chi and a ufo kakra na aka no edi Kennedy chi and kakra na maka di Brand Champo chi e ufo no dodo di Bawumia chi Kennedy so e ufo di nechi Brand Champo e ufo di nechi omo nyina ufo di omochi Bawumia na afa a chunk of a ufo no enti right now they know say only chaos that Bawumia between win elections now. They have targeted polling stations. They are going to scatter Bawumia stronghold, Kennedy Agyapong stronghold, and I'm those boys will be weaponized, will be, in fact, let me not use the weapons. Those boys will be assisted by Bawumia blue army no more party. So, Samia Ukumu lead this idea. And in last Metro, the day he flew to Kumasi twice, Nina Metro, Nippon meeting, they are going to use thugs to beat Kennedy's people. They will beat you people, Papa. Yeah. Me, what I know. So when you move 2% to NPP man go da. Meka achire mu biem. They will beat Kennedy people papa. Kennedy oya mu hwia eyeye. Saade we odo wonsa ko hyaase. Kennedy busa omo, Brand Champion busa omo, mo amaka no musa NPP leadership say, eye den na Alankojo Kyeremanteng na okan ho aye pai ni nipa ni the party did not take any action. Enti Alan no, ni nipa na ye nipa ye no, ono ane pa ono ane ni ana. Alan Kyeremanteng nipa na ye pai ni no. Alan Kyeremanteng nipa na ye pai ni during one Bawumia primaries no. Sa nipa ono ane pa ono ane ho ani ana. Why didn't the party take any action? Why any punishing was our issue? Investigation made on they are setting another trial for Kennedy. They will kill your people. I know these people. And that is the plan. It's simple. So they are entrapping you. They are going to trap you guys. Wow, you are done. Wow, sign this document. You are done. Inti a bait. Inti Kwabena Agyapong. Brand because you see Bawumia group no omo say Brand Champion so tags. Say Brand Champion or another criminal, another saga. Per the commission, Ayawaso West Commission no document on the by no. He's supposed to be trialed. He's supposed to be in jail. Brand Champion actually weaponized criminals to attack Ghanaians. Or one dangerous MFK. Inti Brand Champion no omnim say Brand de ono dada ni nyina no edwuma oyema omuniti omnim say ono de all boys omu wontuo etuo na time o national security owie bi kosie ye enti onu say the boys no omnim say Brand boys ne de omo beba omni tuo beba ba omnim say Kennedy Agyapong boys ni tuo sa Kennedy Agyapong boys no omni power kapasa enti ombe miamo Brand Champion Mameka we binchire mo. Dia Bawumia mo be no. Brand Champion so de be frem. Or de be frem. Ono so be intimidate Kennedy supporters for some places be. Because obe take advantage of the Bawumia mo ye. Because when him say e den blame ni nyina no, ye de be ma Bawumia mo. And Bawumia mo are going to do it. Hey, Mameka we binchire. Sa de we no but then what will inform a party? What will force a party? Say, you must sign a peace pact. This is an internal election. When you general elections, where NPP I don't think you must sign a peace pact. The reason why they want you to sign, and they say they know there will be chaos, and they want somebody to blame. They want somebody to do what? To walk free. That is why they want to put this on the table. Say, Omon create any agenda bia will be say Omo Baba book Kennedy in call for no. Why would the party internal election want candidates to sign peace pact? Since it's almost started campaign, ya will be the guy. Since it's almost started campaign, ya Kennedy Agyapong wa will be the guy. Brand Champion wa will be the guy. A country wa will be the guy. Why are you forcing for a peace pact? I mean, I'm here to see say Bawumia supporters, any Kennedy supporters, I share baby akontokwa. Me who be that. I'm here to see Kwabena Agyapong supporters, any Bawumia supporters, and any Kennedy supporters. I could share baby, Obia will be sick. Yeah, who be bia. So why the peace pact? They want to lure you people. They have a strategy. The party, the normal air to two in place to corner everybody because the party is going to work for Bawumia. Eti Kennedy, moko wa abuso say peace pact way. We want to ask who. We are a party. People see us as a peaceful party. We are a party that believes in democracy. We are a party Debi Akachenko say yenye to travel. Since we started the campaign, my team, unless Kennedy, I don't know, but can anybody point out one person from my campaign team who attack any other campaign team member? So if that hasn't happened, and a party that believes in democracy, a party that is trying to tell Ghanaians that yenye to travel, yenye wudifo, a party that is trying to tell Ghanaians we are together. Why are we supposed to sign a peace pact? The reason is that they want to cause mayhem to force Bawumia to win. It is our papa we na peacemaker shana kuma ono. Joe Wise, Parliament of Ghana, Ghana for $500,000, and then they call Dubai and the computer question akoma ho. every ahumi be a taxpayers money. You wise. Now why need to that na what parliament would kwasi asem. On say wona o hweme no. And the wakuma yare ba o papa obewu. O maami obewu. Joe wise yetam aye parliament sika over $500,000. And ye did go Dubai. And ye kofa aye akuma aye de prepaid. And ye atra akuma ho. Na akuma prepaid da ho. Who may be a taxpayers' money. These are bad people. They don't change. Intermediate, my advice to Kennedy Agyapong, Bawumia Campaign, country, Kwabena Agyapong, this is a trap. If you fall in, they will treat you the same way. Sibiya will treat you Alan Kyeremanteng. So, me, I'm just advising you people. This is a trap. Go and sign it. You are done. The day you sign this, you are done. Now, Bawumia Campaign so is unplugged. I just say obidi eye wire akwasha Brian to and I plug it I sorry them and Bawumia Campaign. Me assure say obidi electric bent wash and to and a Brian so charge and all kind of credit to NPP for NPP was some person beti and no mudi na tem. E dey nsem bi na Brian eka. Bawumia Campaign say ono nko ono Brian. Ono nko as just a member of parliament. NPP for the way they expose themselves ono nko as a member of parliament from 2021 ebesi 2024. Now about 62 MPs or more parliament. Now busumi bia omo 200 million. I'm still yet to see one MP, not a party member, not somebody who does not have a portfolio as a former MP or a current MP. I'm still yet to hear one MP say enya no kre. Bawumia Campaign say, ono die, or ka on record. Omu wiye sika gu dem. Bank of Ghana sika no omu sisa gu dem. They no omu yene say, from 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. Now every 30 days biano MPBA the 62 MPs or more parliament now ono Brian or more 200 million per person. Do the math. 62 times 200 million. $62 million. 200 million times 62. Do the math. And then tell me, say, Bawumia Campaign NPP. We are not supposed to listen to them. But you know the most interesting thing? Right now, they are telling us what they did with our money. Right now, they are so excited to tell us, say, na ye Jimmy. Nana sikani de guo and omo chedi. This is what they are telling us. And they will take Kennedy Agyapong or say, Bawumia, I gave this money to this. And the politics ni na be ye wiamo and a sikani ye che chempe and the Ghana sika ye 62 MPs mob or no or no and a mom 200 million. Now another person I responded to Bawumia Campaign asem Momi anko tie Bawumia Campaign first if ya na yabo response no say free opare ansa akwana oni Dennis Miracle Aboagye eku obaba ko ho
Sabi me 169 you be able to make position sometimes Kwabena ni post from 2021 62 members of parliament every month will be at 20,000 cedis 62 200 million a month. Within so much, Senator Beya Mubeti Yakuko constituencies. And you can say me in Anieka. Send your Kura Yamano Kuimu. Send your Kura Yamano Kuimu.
Brian said, no, 200 million every 30 days. 62 MPs. Now, one idea normally musika a year. Sasika also know you every month. Because on be accounted for Sasika now. We because say, hey, if you calls Bawumia Campaign tomorrow morning and tells Bawumia Campaign, please, you just told us as a public servant that you were paying 62 MPs who are being paid by the taxpayer, an extra 200 million. Can you please come and show us where you were getting the money from? Obibeka say, hey, John Mahama Tata Obi. Ochina. Say, Iyoko Fred Brandon Champon, say, Brandon Champon, what you just said is serious because it's looking like double salary here. We expect every public servant to be taking their salaries. So if a public servant is taking an extra salary, we need to know what they are taking the salary for, because it can convince them to do something which isn't right. Because that money that you were giving to them, influence in parliament that was against the constitution. That money can be seen as an influence, a bit my bribe. Unless you prove to us, you tell us where the money was coming from and the motive behind the money and who took the money. Because we had the amount from our parliament 62, they have taken an oath. They've sworn an oath that they are going to take their salary, work within their salaries, and make sure every single. In fact, they do asset declaration even before they become members of parliament. So, if somebody in parliament is also giving them 200 million, then it means that every month not influence BB or parliament, unless you are able to prove beyond reasonable doubt that 200 million a month to every MP, which is 62 MPs, it did not influence anything. So please, can you tell us where it was coming from? That's all. Say Yoko Frebra and the champions is here and Kwasi Afon start here came. Hey, NTB that omo tanye. Mumo Jimmy NPP. Right? Now, my mention my devil for your fast and fast. Now, Brandon Champon, I can say me.
And yes, Sabi, ye winnie and I ye chepus and I ye kum. Ye lusu and I ye ko thank you to. Ye ntimi anko ewie. Ye yi ba ku sifi ba aselim ewo bonu ho be bi nyu se mukaya. Ye yi Kennedy si for me nim kwan of us or bank cry. Amu yi ni sifi ba aselim. Amu si nanumu asem and then can who be near Lucy Albert Nabas inside. There's a form of the enemy. Why in a war of Swasi Rebi? Why in a war sending Manso Akim Swedro as a Sene Manso? Akim Swedro, what cheers and what mother? And what you dear one come and muse. Elections here, because a Kennedy winner. I brought any Bawumia supporters no be buano. I'm a winning 2028. Why ne was such a deal? Why ne was such a 2 means on a year pay? Why sooner what GD no say Bawumia winner? Kennedy supporters no be buano and winning 2028. As I'm not Brian Busani, even though Brian Cromfoa may penasama or that danko for no. As someone can is simple. Or see, Mokai thank you Tony start here. Kennedy Agyapong halfway a permanent free bass him. He can is what bro. Nancy me who about you nice chica. That's what about Grantemo. Kennedy pressure in you. Kennedy can be catch now. Says Siki Kafabra and Afenyo investment to India. Also want to see President Teddy. Nancy me who has why D Ken and enough of us how Mahama. I moon was a hair quarters going in your brand with dear Drew. And the Kennedy Agyapong. But Brandon Champon, someone can say, Bukaya thank you, Tono. And yo, if you say net team, some man point in a boom. Nana man point in for you, Nana me do piao. Or Sinan Tokwa, Yatika Yako, and about Bawumia Jina Baz, hey, Kennedy see. Hey, Kwabena Jones, Kwabena Jones now also see. Yes, Bawumia stop bus, hey, stop the bus. See what? See form. Bawumia will come fancy. Mrs. Sifom, Kennedy baby and also, bro, yes, and also a panyan. Kennedy say, oh, but what have I done? I don't see Sifom. Brandon Champon, I cannot mean you a Brian AgyeGON. Now, the issue is, not Brian is sarcasm, you see, Ujidi say, Kennedy Agyapong we near, but Bawumia punch in the supporting in 2028, and now Ujidi say, Bawumia we near. Kennedy Agyapong in Koku no so be supporting for 2028 ana. In tomi in Jimmy to Brandon Champon. Brandon Champon or at that time. But what Brandon Champon is saying is true. Uni bibi, see what they are posting on social media. This is somebody, your friend say Obama, a criminal. Sabranti we. Onye. Say Obama pokwas no onye.
now or Bawumia camp oka so beku president or di etuo ni ade beku president no Mahamadu Bawumia ene yi sika eka say omunko beli no boy we your friend no Daniel Adomako say Obama pokuase no onie or Bawumia camp Bawumia mo na hwe no hwade. See what they are writing on social media against Kennedy. Or see a murderer calling someone a liar. Rest in peace, Ahmed Swale. Capital nonsense. Say Obama pokuase refer Kennedy Agyapong say or a murderer because to him no Kennedy and the Kun Ahmed Swale. That is what this text, this message implies. Don't sit there and let somebody explain to you. A Bawumia message no. This boy. Say Obama pokuase, a criminal who's supposed to be rotting in jail. Obia etubone. This is a guy who sells guns. He sells guns for armed robbers to go murder Ghanaians. Now he is on social media telling Kennedy Agyapong that Kennedy Agyapong is a murderer. You see these people, and that Kennedy Agyapong murdered Ahmed Swale per the text he put out there, per his message. Unless you are stupid, anybody who defends this is as stupid as the word stupid. This is what they are doing in the party. So do you expect Kennedy Agyapong supporters Ninyanom na nkonta ne namfofo omo mo don party say Bawumia boom wie na mo wie ma omo be support Bawumia na? How can you, a riffraff, a dirty raccoon, a criminal, somebody who is being tried, at social media because Kennedy is a murderer? Anko kanasaka kakran kenyeshi and or refer Kennedy to Ahmed Swale. We all know in Ghana that when it comes to Ahmed Swale's issue, the allegations that Kennedy Agyapong is the one who murdered Ahmed Swale is high. So why do you even link Kennedy to Ahmed Swale? This is what they are doing. This is what Bawumia and his team, this is what they are doing. So Bawumia be jina say Jimmy, me die, me ni obi anko ntakwa, me nkasa mpontia obi ada, nkwasi ade a oye nie. This is Bawumia 101. Now, your bare 4 minutes in your pong. I mention idea. I Kennedy Agyapong akasa and there watune numtu akanokre or say
I've never seen a liar like our former flag bearer on air. He's a liar. Say, Edubuahin, one contested because not oya. This man is a liar. Today I tell you he's a liar. You shouldn't vote for a liar. A man who is lying to have power. Wow. Won't hear the history. Edubuahin, occurred 1992. And we win. And occurred general election. And we lose. 1996. The former black flag bearer, Ejine Kumasi, Kasena Edubuahin Yare. Kufuor contested Edubuahin in 1996, and Kufuor BT Edubuahin, Adebaye flag bearer. He was fighting to go on the post, and they did not agree. And we contested. I will power. Obi abedi o mining now to be detro e distorto history say mesra mamonto abama. Because munuam Obi a manini claim so we a liar. More than bar. We're a liar and the people are not going to vote for him. He's not a trustworthy person. When I heard him yesterday saying that, I said, what? A presidential candidate who wants people to vote for him will look eyeball to eyeball and lie. He's a big liar. We're a liar. So Tumiko General said, wow. Timesram, Edubuahin was contested by Kufuor. And Kufuor BT, no. Edibeye, Munko check history. The mama met two new second chance. Many are told me, I am more popular than him in this country. I'm telling you today, me am more popular than him. Who knows him? The only people, those who know him as a liar. And he continues to lie. That is why we lost. One to me economy who wants them be a digital. Am I lose you? And you people that I'm talking to know why you didn't vote for him, because of the tribal conflict. The tribal conflict. And we lost the 5 northern regions. And he's lying, he said, oh no, when you have the highest vote. Akufo Addo had 20 seats. parliamentary seats, and now what 10? How can you say we have the highest vote? Mesrem. A trona papa ni D for power no dey. Mudi agro ko ye mistakes se mumia. Ye be say atena opposition. Ko Ghana ni bi antrust no. Omo say tronko na wodi. A tro wodu Ashanti region. Why so desperate he say a tronko na have the wodi. And why we want to win power. And if you want to win power, ask the Muslims themselves. They will tell you. Say oko adum cheho edi ayikogu na nti yantoma no oko mungwa yomu shrine edi ayigu nsi yantoma no. The Muslims say it all the time. The Christians are saying yantoma no. So what are we saying? Do we want to lose power?
Papa jujum na when you baba chechirem mesi kofo we omu nyina abodam Bawumia abodam Kennedy abodam Brani Champa abodam omu nyina abodam ohene na asem na oka say sankofo na sankwase no. You see the sankwasism is coming out and the monkeyism, but Kennedy upon all the nonsense you think say why you know and the waka say you see Bawumia ye trufo, he's a liar. Wano party mo wosi ka chen Kennedy Agyapong ose Bawumia ye trufo no de ba ye oye kromfo on kanu kre oye trufo oye trufo twi amwa kosi amwa boating and enya ni sini na eka wo where Obia or the Bawumia tena dem ama the sikaso fanko campaign pen in 2014 15 just say ose Bawumia ye trufo ose kwane nka no kre otucha trokropo to dubu ahinso ba o anka mane so ose Bawumia Obia and the oko internet so na obodi din a oye trufo obi anginin di economy na die by opposition ose Bawumia bon oye fake den PhD holder Bawumia ni economy bia at a point you can so make economy no odwane ose we trufo we mama na da mo ana wa ba beduru a na mo so nkwase asam so medwudwam ye ose we kolikoi we onim nyansa bia wo ditrim nkwase akeka na follow John kwa ontumi nya bibia yete abamu economy yede shede sa oblo economy ni up na okeka na ose na se ye nyina ye nim tribal conflict Bawumia ka ho na e course under omo watch ye body patuo ye ku eye de kusasifo te anadwo nwumbre ye bonkofo timuto ose ana Bawumia ona na ye police council ona na ye chair weapons and no de koso e ku nipa ninya ose Bawumia conflict ni count tribal conflict ni count no lose elections no origin nyina in fact northern region it Kennedy Agyapong nyina nim say when it came to bokuntokwa no na Mahamadu Bawumia edi mutintiman or the etuo akondie nyoma ekọ ho enu ntina Kennedy ka say tribal conflict no kwa na affect omo a eba north no omo enya vote Kennedy ne kan na medwudwam wedwame ene kodwa Kennedy inti kusasi ni mamprisi fo ntokwa ku nyina na time na NPP wo so a ye ka say na ntokwa yesu ntwa ene etuo ko hoyi de na esi ahomachi no bo se hu 20-30,000 ye hu ka na etuo gum 40,000 Kennedy Agyapong say Bawumia tribal conflict no Mahamadu o say Bawumia etuo no mo ko botuo nyina na Bawumia. These are the 5 sankwas na obeso with NPP mo Jimmy pa.
You see, when God is going to judge people, he judges them by their acts. You who said NPP is not a government, it's a stupid government, you had your ward, you had your son, your nephew, your auntie, son, your what, be in secondary school without paying money. Today, achievement. Tell us, what was your achievement? You see, NDC, God have made them of insults. It is only insult. They cannot mention one policy that nobody ever did that policy on unless NDC. They can't mention it. They don't have it. Look at health insurance. Foolish things. Foolish people. Look at health insurance. When we introduce health insurance, after health insurance come to stay, they will come and claim it and say it is DS. And they promise to make health insurance 110 premium. 110 premium, only 110 premium. It took the NDC 8 good years. 8 good years, in fact. this incompetent government could not fulfill their promises of making national health insurance one-term premium. And you are calling yourself a political party? And you are insulting the New Patriotic Party? How dare you? How dare you? This is a party that has calmed Ghanaians. 24-hour economy, where is it? Where is the 24-hour economy today? Tell us. Asante Bediatuo have said it categorically on his mouth that the 24-hour economy, those electricians, those welders, when they are going to use light in the night, it will be cheaper. Are we seeing the cheapness of the light in the night? Who are those even welders and electricians who are working? So if you look at NDC, they are like mental. We have, look, to compare NDC and NPP in terms of mental, we have something that we call ferrous mental and non-ferrous mental. Yes, ferrous mental and non-ferrous mental. Ferrous mental are mental that contain ions. And non-ferrous mental are mentals that do not contain ions. So if you look at NPP, in fact, the NPP are mental, are ferrous mental that contain ions. We are mental, but we contain ion on us. And the NDC are mentals, but they do not contain ions in them. So if you see two ions, you think they are the same. Someone will sit home and say, oh, the two political parties are the same. You cannot in any way compare the New Patriotic Party of possibility and the NDC of impossibility. You cannot. You cannot compare the NPP of possibility.
Hanky nation the two. Hanky no da fa ni mu no. Nation the two. Ono oka ferrous mental and non-ferrous mental. Where NPP nyina third vice chair say omo chairman no omo poison no. Ya pa ko form rabon tin be kasa omo poison chairman no and we na chairman. What's your for we? When you be so near kasa oh ya go to aba. We salaka we. We yi hanke free ni tru mu dia pa da nim. Na we ne ho fin. Ne ho fin. Ne to kan. We yi hanke free ni to e dia fa da nim. Non-ferrous and non-mental and the and health insurance. Health insurance. What you say opuro health insurance. Me say wo. We are salakao. Mali di edibi. Wo. We are salakao. White ni bi. Mali di edibi. Wo. Yane baboma sabusu zongo. Wo. We are salakao. Fresh. Wo dia wo krampo dia yanya sala wie na ewie wo. We are salakao kra. We are mu kra. We are mu me. We are mu me. We are do chia bro ewo Mali. We are full salakao. Na Ghana ni na adwiri adwuma no wetie wo say oh ampa we do nim nyansa me yanko to aba Bawumia ya he we yi hanke free wo to e de twi wanim wanim nyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyen I am upon.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.